In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best clamp meter available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive clamp meter that our team of meter testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Clamp meters are essential tools for electricians and technicians who need to measure current without breaking the circuit. They are designed to clamp around a wire and measure the magnetic field generated by the current flowing through it. Clamp meters can measure both AC and DC current, as well as other electrical parameters, such as voltage, resistance, and frequency. They are ideal for troubleshooting electrical problems, performing maintenance tasks, and verifying the accuracy of other instruments. Safety. Safety is the utmost and top factor that you need to check for in a clamp meter, as the entire point of a clamp meter is remove the physical contact between the hands and the conductor. Make sure that the clamp meter in question has the highest of the safety ratings. Convenience. The convenience of a clamp meter involves the smartphone compatibility, the screen size, and other factors as such, which would improve the ease of use of the clamp meter. The more the better is your choice. Clamp size. The third key factor that you would be considering is the clamp size. The larger the clamp size, the longer can you measure the conductor. Clamp sizes vary from 17 mm to 45 mm, and your choice would depend on how large your conductors are at your workplace. So here are top 5 best digital clamp meter. At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more video. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.